Hi, this is Mike, Sales and Finance Manager with Siman Auto Sales here in Regina. Today we're going to show you guys some tips that you can do at home to make sure that your vehicle is ready for summer. We know that with summer driving, you want to get out to the lake, you want to get out to the beach, you want to visit some family, or you just want some alone time, and there's some key things we can do to make sure your vehicle is ready for the road ahead. So the first thing we recommend doing, as always, is going to be to check your oil. This is going to be to make sure that the oil level is up as well as that the oil is clean. We do also recommend that you have the tires inflated to the correct PSI. Correct tire inflation is going to do two things. It's going to help you get better fuel economy, as well as it's going to help your tires last longer. The door on every vehicle will actually state what the PSI is supposed to be for that vehicle, and this will ensure that you get the best fuel economy possible, especially with the rising fuel prices right now. That is a big deal. Every penny counts. The other thing that we want to make sure we always stress and recommend is that you should get your vehicle checked out by a good shop that you trust. Here at Siman Auto Sales, we have 3 mechanics, we have 3 hoists, we have an awesome service team that would love to be able to look at your car and just make sure that everything is where it's supposed to be, all your fluid levels are where they're supposed to be, that you're not leaking anything, and that your brakes are good and will pass safety standards.